How to deposit checks with Santander Mobile App. Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to deposit checks right from your phone using the Santander Mobile App. You don't need to visit any branch for that. So the first thing you can do is open up Santander Mobile App and log in with your username and password. And from the menu up top, you can just tap the option to deposit checks. Now, once you have selected the deposit check option on the left side, you can press on the main dollar button, and then next you can choose the account where you want the money to deposit or enter the amount written on the check. Before you click a picture, make sure to endorse the back of the check by signing it and writing for mobile deposits at Santander only. This is an important step where you need to write that in every check no matter the bank. So next step is to use your phone camera and click the front image. Make sure to center the check in the camera and wait for the app to snap the image. And once you've done that, just make sure all four corners are visible and details are ready to easy to read. You could also do the same for the back of the check as well. Once both photos are uploaded, review your information and then tap on Submit Deposit. You'll get a confirmation on your screen that your check has been received. Now, you can keep the paper check in a safe place for a few days until the funds clear, just in case you need it later. And that's it. Your check is deposited in just minutes, right from your phone. If this was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll see you guys in the next video.